How to move notification bar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Notifications. On this Notifications page, you manage how notifications from your apps are delivered and displayed. In the Display As section, you can choose how notifications appear on your lock screen. At the top of this screen, under the Display As section, you will find 3 distinct styles for your notifications. The Count option simplifies your lock screen by showing only the total number of notifications. The Stack view, which is the default, groups notifications by application. Lastly, the List view displays each notification individually in the order they were received. Following these steps, you can easily move notification bar on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.